This plant is in the same soil for the last 10 years. It has stopped growing because all the nutrients in the soil has been used up. I will repot this plant after improving its soil now. Tap the pot from outside to loosen the soil. Take out the plant carefully. See that its soil has become hard so the water does not reach to the roots. This plant needs new soil. Carefully remove the soil. Trim the thin roots. Do not cut the main root. Break the big chunks of soil. We will reuse this soil after its enrichment. First step is solarization. Leave the soil in sun for 2-3 days to kill any bacteria, fungi, insects in the soil. Put 1/4 of this soil in garden bed or compost bin and add the same amount of new potting mix in this old soil. Add some cow manure or compost to make the soil nutrition rich. Mix some river sand to make the soil free draining. Mix some bone meal to add phosphorus for stronger roots. You can mix some granules of slow release fertilizer. The recharged soil is now ready for use. We will use this soil for repotting the plant. Half fill the pot with this activated soil and repot the plant. Fill the pot and add a layer of cow manure. Press the soil to remove air pockets. Water well. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos and to know when the new videos are posted.